Now see the third question. If two circles intersect at 2 points, prove that their centers lie on the perpendicular bisector of the common chord. See, these are two circles. One circle is having center O and other is having center O dash. Okay. Now we have to prove that these two centers lie on the perpendicular bisector of this common chord. This is common chord, and we have to prove that this O dash is the perpendicular bisector of AB. That means this part should be equal to this part, and these angles should be equal to 90 degree. Okay, these angles should be equal to 90 degree. Now first of all, what is given to us? AB is the common chord of both the circles. This AB is the common chord of both the circles. To prove, what you will write? We have to prove that O dash is the perpendicular bisector of common chord AB. Okay, this you will write here. Then in proof, what we will do? First of all, we will take triangle AOO dash. Where is AOO dash? AOO dash, this one, this triangle. Okay, and BOO dash, BO and O dash. That means this triangle upper and this lower triangle. So AO is equals to OB. Why? Because these two are the radius of this smaller circle. So we will write radius of circle with center O. Then next, AO dash is equals to BO dash. Why? Because these are also the radius of bigger circle. So radius of circle with center O dash. Then next, OO dash is common of both the circles. So OO dash equals to OO dash common. Now this is side, and this is also side. So by SSS congruency, triangle AOO dash is congruent to triangle BOO dash. Now if these two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding parts will be equal. Okay, so by CPCT we can say that angle AOO dash, that means this angle, is equals to angle BOO dash, that means this angle. Okay, by CPCT. Now we will take another two triangles. Now in triangle AOC, this triangle, and triangle BOC, this triangle. Okay, now in these two triangles, angle AOC equals to angle BOC. Angle AOC is equals to angle BOC. Why? Just now in first part we have proved this angle equals to this angle. So AOC will be equal to BOC. In reason you can write, since angle AOO dash is equals to angle BOO dash, or you can write from equation number 1. Okay. Now after that, AO is equals to BO, again radius of circle with center O. Okay, then OC is common in both the triangles, so OC equals to OC common. Now this is side, this is angle, and this is side. So by SAS congruency, triangle AOC is equals to triangle BOC. Okay, now if these two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding parts will be equal. So AC is equals to BC by CPCT. Okay, so we have proved this part equals to this. Okay, now one more thing, angle ACO, this angle is equals to angle BCO, this angle, by CPCT. These both things can be proved by CPCT. Now see, this is a straight line, so sum of these two angles will be equal to 180 degree. So we can write angle ACO plus angle BCO equals to 180 degree. Now these two angles are equal, so angle ACO plus, instead of BCO we can write ACO, so angle ACO equals to 180 degree. So 2 times angle ACO is equals to 180 degree. Then angle ACO is equals to 180 upon 2, this is equals to 90 degree. Now angle ACO is equals to angle BCO, so angle BCO will also be equal to 90 degree. Okay, since both are equal, so we have written angle BCO is also equal to 90 degree. Now we have proved these two parts equal and these two angles as 90 degree. That means OO dash is the perpendicular bisector of AB. So at last we can write, hence OO dash lie on the perpendicular bisector of AB. Thank you everyone. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe and share my channel and stay connected with A1 study classes.